Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Keep it simple. Unless you're applying for a design role, a clean, simple layout is best. Use a summary statement instead of an objective. Spotlight key skills. Put your latest experience first. Break it down. Consider adding volunteer or other experience. Quantify your bullets.
Take our lead.
Font size and page margins. The body of your CV should be between 10 and 12-point font, and your headings between 14 and 18 points. Keep your page margins around 2.5 centimeters, but never reduce them to less than 1.27 centimeters or your CV will appear cluttered and hard to read. White space ensures clarity and professionalism. 23 December 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Top 5 ways to get your resume noticed. 1. Use specific keywords from job postings. Studies have shown that recruiters take on average 6 seconds to view resumes. Direct recruiter, hiring manager submittals. Applying through career websites and portals are nice. Cover letter done correctly. Avoid cliché words. Brag, brag, brag.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What are the best skills to put on a resume? Communication skills, computer skills, people skills, leadership skills, organizational skills, time management skills, collaboration skills, problem-solving skills. The 18th of May 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Depending on the job description and your work experience, your resume should be 1 or 2 pages long. If you have over 10 years of relevant experience, a multi-page resume works better than a one-page. However, there are a few things you should keep in mind if your resume does go over several pages long. 1 January 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to list skills on a resume. Keep your resume skills relevant to the job you're targeting. Include key skills in a separate skills section. Add your work-related skills in the professional experience section. Weave the most relevant skills into your resume profile. 5. Make sure to add the most in-demand skills.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.